Hi guys, it's Parmesan Tom here. Today we're going to be making chicken Parmesan sliders. These were delicious. I made them for a Sunday night football game for a few of my friends and they loved them. So let's get right into it. For our ingredients, you're going to need 3 eggs, 1 cup of panko crumbs, olive oil, 2 pounds of either chicken tenders or chicken breasts. If you buy the chicken breasts, then you can slice them and clean them yourself, whichever you prefer. A jar of marinara sauce, fresh parsley, salt, pepper, and minced garlic, a bag of shredded mozzarella cheese, and either ciabatta bread or some type of smaller square bread will work too, or you can find something of your choosing in the fresh bread section of your local grocery store and slice it up into your desired size. Now for the prep. First, we're going to make our breading station for the chicken. You want to make an egg wash with our 3 eggs, like I'm doing here, and put the panko crumbs on a plate or bowl so that we can begin to bread our chicken. And before we do this, we want to make sure that we set up our large pan with olive oil on top of our stove top on medium heat so it's ready for the chicken as soon as we bread it. So now we can take our chicken and using the egg and the panko crumbs create a nice layer on each side like I'm doing here. And when you're finished dunking into both the egg wash and the panko crumbs, add the breaded chicken directly to your pan. Then repeat the process until all your chicken is breaded and cooking. Then we will let the chicken cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side to make sure that both sides are nice and crisp. When both sides of the chicken have a nice crisp, we can add our marinara sauce to the pan. This will allow the chicken to soak up some of the sauce and continue the cooking process while not burning our chicken. And during this time, we can also chop up some fresh parsley and add that directly to our chicken for a little extra bit of flavor. After about 5 minutes on each side, we can lower the heat and begin to prepare our baking sheet. So grab your baking sheet and add a little bit of olive oil to the bottom of the sheet so that when we bake our sliders, they don't stick to the sheet. Place your individual choice of bread for each slider across the sheet and add a dash of marinara sauce to the bottom of each piece of slider. When you're finished, we can begin adding our chicken to the top of the sauce like I'm doing here. And now we can add our shredded mozzarella cheese. Then we want to make sure that we melt some butter and butter the tops of each slider and then add a sprinkle of salt and pepper. Now you can add your sliders to your oven. Make sure it's set to 350 degrees and these will bake for 15 minutes. Then when the 15 minutes are up, take those sliders out and let them cool for an additional 2 minutes. And now you can plate them and start handing them out to your guests. These are great for large groups and events, family dinners, or even just a snack during the day. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to put them down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, it would be awesome if you could take 1 second and hit that like button. And if you want or need more quick and easy recipes, feel free to check out the rest of my channel. I post at least 2 recipes a week on Wednesdays and Sundays. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.